I'm just saying, I can't be looking like this, go out on dates and be cute and be like, and then you lay down and
You ain't supposed to be laying down.
see, Lauren. Now here go Lauren over there talking, but you ain't supposed to be laying down. Listen. You get on my nerves.
You said last night. What did you say last night? Spirit of what? Go.
See, you got me choking again.
See?
Get on my nerves.
What's that thought you thought? What did I just say?
I'm not about to play with Lauren. Lauren said last night we got rid of that spirit, so don't let that be that.
Go ahead and snore.
Okay, so go ahead and snore. Whatever. Well, I gotta prepare myself then.
Okay, we can get ready.
Get ready.
Get ready.
So all I'm saying is, I can't be going out looking cute, then lay down. Well, you know me, I fall asleep in the car on the way home.
Oh, I know.
They may never come pick me back up for now another day.
That is right.
Hey, they may never pick me up for now another day. Be like, oh, I can't wait to dig this girl home. No. What they gonna say, Lauren? No. No. Man, that little bit, he gonna be talking to his boys. He gonna be saying, man, she was beautiful, she's smart, she's sweet, man, everything was all good, you know what I'm saying? Till the ride home, dog. Till the ride home, dog. Like, man, she snore too loud, man.
Cause you know you're gonna fall asleep.
Ooh, look at that one, Lauren. I got let me flip this camera around. Hold on a second. I'm about to flip this around.
Look at it.
Look what Lauren I got. Now, that's a lot of chicken. I know you're gonna take some of that home. That's your little crab cake.
Oh, cute.
Oh, that's real cute. Oh, hi. No sour cream on my potato. And then here's my food, y'all. My little steak right here. My broccoli. Lauren got 2 chickens.
That's all
I got 2 chickens and a crab cake. Here's my food. And I'm the one telling I'm hungry. Let's go eat. I'm so hungry. This what y'all be talking about, ain't it?
Yup.
Even when me, you, and Shanita and y'all went to Connor's.
Yes.
And I ordered soup and y'all ordered all steaks
all
and all this food.
Yeah.
Lauren got a whole chicken over there.
A whole chicken. It's a
Can
whole
they see it?
chicken.
Y'all see that?
Whole chicken.
Child. She better take it up. Somebody said the steak
It's like what?
looks burnt.
Girl, it makes me so angry.
She gets mad at me. Everybody gets mad at me.
Oh
I don't
my
care.
God.
I don't
Like,
care. I don't care.
Don't
I want it
flavor.
well
It's
done,
just like-
butterflied. That means extra when it's butterflied. I don't care. Y'all can talk about my steak all y'all want to. I don't
It
care.
is well done.
It's well done. I don't care. I like my steak well done, butterflied. Lauren gets hers medium well. Okay, y'all can talk about me all y'all want to, but I know Lauren got a whole bunch of food. They said, Mel, you had us cracking up last night. Last night was fun. Last night was fun. What's up, Quincy? Quincy said, what y'all eating? Lauren got a whole chicken. Look at this.
A whole chicken.
Look at all this food Lauren got. Crab cake. I've had salad. I've got this broccoli.
What's this?
That's mac and cheese.
This is yours.
But you know, that's just for the tasting. This is what I'm about to eat.
But it's yours.
It's just for the tasting, okay? This is my first time here. I'm gonna tell y'all where we were in just when we get done, but where we are. But
Don't see it on the plate.
listen, it ain't on the plate. Oh, it is. You get on my nerves. It is on the plate. Listen, I ain't never been here before. I've never been here before, but so far the experience is great, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all where Lauren done brought me to today because I said I was hungry. Let's get something to eat. So we trying a new spot because y'all know Connor's is my favorite spot, and I'm always going to Connor's. I even told the manager here when he walked over here. He said, "I hope y'all have a good experience." I said, "Well, Connor's is my favorite restaurant, so we'll see."
You saying it like that?
Connor's is my favorite restaurant, so we'll see. Okay, DJ Richie Sky, hey boo. So I'm gonna try the food. Then I'm gonna come back on here and tell y'all on our way home how it was, if it was good, and where we got something to eat from. It's a new spot recently built here in Huntsville. Let's see. Let's go.